ईयरफोन से बेटा। Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon,
So,
sir.
good afternoon, beta. In the previous class, we studied about the trigonometric ratios. All of you remembered or not?
Yes, sir.
How many trigonometric ratios are there?
Six, sir.
6. What are they? Can you tell me?
Sine.
Right.
Sine,
Sine, cosine.
cosine, secant, tangent.
First one is sine. Second one is cosine.
Cosine.
Third one is tangent.
మొన్న స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసిన ఏమైనా డిలీట్ చేసేస్తారా?
Fourth one is cotangent. Fifth one is secant.
సెకండ్.
Sixth one is cosecant. Okay. So, what is the meaning of sine, Nana? ఒక్కసారి రీకాల్ చేద్దాం. సైన్ అంటే ఏమనుకున్నాం మనం?
ఆపోజిట్ బై హైపర్నెస్.
ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ బై హైపోటెనస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ సైన్. అంటే ఎదుటి భుజానికి కర్ణానికి గల నిష్పత్తిని సైన్ అని అన్నాం. కొజైన్ అంటే
Adjacent side by hypotenuse.
అడ్జసెంట్ సైడ్ బై హైపోటెనస్.
అడ్జసెంట్ సైడ్ బై హైపోటెనస్ మీన్స్ ఆసన్న భుజానికి కర్ణానికి మధ్య గల నిష్పత్తిని ఏమన్నా మనం కొజైన్ అన్నాం. మరి వాట్ ఈస్ టాంజెంట్ బెటా?
Opposite side by adjacent side.
సైడ్ బై అడ్జసెంట్ సైడ్.
ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ బై అడ్జసెంట్ సైడ్ మీన్స్ ఎదుటి భుజానికి ఆసన్న భుజానికి గల నిష్పత్తిని టాంజెంట్ అన్నాం. ద రేషియో బిట్వీన్ ద ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ అండ్ అడ్జసెంట్ సైడ్. అడ్జసెంట్ సైడ్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ టాంజెంట్. ఓకే. cotangent.
Hypotenuse by opposite side. Inverse of sine.
Cotangent is inverse of tangent beta. Tangent ki
Yes, yes.
adjacent side by opposite side. This is called cotangent. అరే ఎవర్రా ఇది బాగా డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ secant. What do you mean by secant? Secant is which
Hypotenuse by adjacent side.
Right, shabash beta. Hypotenuse by adjacent side.
Adjacent.
And cosecant is
Hypotenuse by opposite side.
hypotenuse by opposite
Opposite
side.
side.
Opposite side. Now, in this class, we have to find the relation between the trigonometric ratios. We have to find the relation between trigonometric ratios. So, we have the 6 trigonometric ratios are there: sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant. Now let us find the relation between these trigonometric ratios. First, I am taking the sine. Here, what is the meaning of sine, Nana?
Opposite by hypotenuse.
Opposite
by hypotenuse.
hypotenuse.
So, in the denominator and opposite by hypotenuse. In the to the denominator and numerator and denominator, I am dividing the numerator and denominator with the opposite side now. Means this is opposite side by opposite side divided by hypotenuse divided by opposite side. So I am dividing the numerator and denominator with opposite side. Here this opposite side and this opposite side will get cancelled. Then we will get 1 by hypotenuse by opposite side. What is the formula for hypotenuse by opposite side, beta? Hypotenuse by opposite side, which is called as cosecant.
Cosecant.
Cosecant. That is equals to 1 by hypotenuse by opposite side, which is called as cosec. Okay, cosec. Hence, sine can also be written as 1 by cosecant theta. Sine can also be written as sine is equals to 1 by cosec. Or in the same manner, cosec can also be written as 1 by sine. This is the relation between the sine and cosecant. All of you understanding now? Huh? Now let us see the relation between the cos. I am taking the cos. What is the meaning of cos, Nana? Adjacent side by
hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
By hypotenuse.
Shall I write this? Here I am dividing the numerator and denominator with adjacent side now. Adjacent side by adjacent side.
Adjacent side.
And hypotenuse
By
by adjacent.
Adjacent side.
Here adjacent side and adjacent side will get cancelled. 1 by 1 by, here we got a in the denominator we got a hypotenuse by adjacent side, so that is equals to 1 by hypotenuse by adjacent. What is the formula for hypotenuse by adjacent, beta? Here you see in the
Secant,
previous
sir.
paper.
Secant.
Hypotenuse by adjacent side is secant. Okay,
Secant.
so hypotenuse by adjacent, that can also be written as secant. Means cos can also be written as 1 by secant. Cos can also be written as 1 by secant. Here I am
1 by
writing-
secant.
Cos can also be written as 1 by secant, or secant can also be written as 1 by cos. Secant can also be written as 1 by cos. These are the two relation between the trigonometric ratios. In the same manner, let us see the another one, that is tan. Tan. What is the formula for tan, Nana?
Opposite side by adjacent.
Opposite side by adjacent side. Here, to the denominator and numerator, I am dividing with the hypotenuse. Here you see, opposite side by hypotenuse by adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is equals to, let us see here, opposite side by hypotenuse is the formula for which trigonometric ratio, Nana? Opposite side by hypotenuse.
Sine.
Sine. Very good. Very
Sine.
good. Sine by adjacent side by hypotenuse is
Cosine.
Yes.
cosine
sir.
or cos. So
Sine.
the tan theta can also be written as sine by cos. Tan theta can also be written as sine by cos. Here you see I am writing the formula. Tan can also be written as sine by cos. All of you మీ అందరు కనబడుతుందా నాన్న?
కనబడుతుంది సార్.
Yes, sir.
స్క్రీన్ విజిబుల్ ఉందా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఉంది, sir.
Now కొద్దిగా డిస్టర్బెన్స్ ఉంది, దీన్ని పక్కా పెట్టేస్తామట. Now look at the cot theta. Here cot theta. Cot, sorry. What is the formula for cot, Nana?
Adjacent
Cot.
by opposite.
Adjacent side by opposite.
Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So here I am. ఎవర్రా ఇది ఇంత శబ్దం చేస్తున్నారు? దయచేసి మ్యూట్లో పెట్టుకోండి బేట, మాట్లాడేటప్పుడే మీరు అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి. సో హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా ఫర్ chord nana? Adjacent side by opposite side. So I am dividing the numerator and denominator with the hypotenuse. Look at this one, opposite side by hypotenuse whole divided by adjacent side, sorry, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here this is opposite side by hypotenuse. Again look in the you see the numerator beta, adjacent side by hypotenuse is there. Adjacent side by hypotenuse is called as
Cosine, sir.
cosine or cos, and opposite
Cos.
side by hypotenuse is called as sine.
Sine.
So cot
Sine.
theta can be written as cos by sine. This is another relation. So here I am writing the cot theta. Here I am writing cot can also be written as cos by sine. Okay,
Sine.
these are the relations. Sine, which can also be written as 1 by cosecant theta, and cosecant can also be written as 1 by sine, and cos can also be written as 1 by secant, or secant can also be written as 1 by cos. Tan can also be written as sine by cos. Cot can also be written as cos by sine. Okay, all of understanding or not? Huh? Now look at the exercise 11.1. So I am taking another page. So share. Here you see the textbook, Nana. మీ అందరికీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ కనబడుతుందా? ఇక్కడ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ కనబడుతుందా? ఓకే. In the exercise 11.1, what is the first problem given? What is the first problem given, beta? In the right angle triangle ABC, 8 centimeters, 15 centimeters and 17 centimeters are the lengths of AB, BC and CA respectively. Then find sin A, cos A and tan A. Here what is given? In a right angle triangle ABC, 8 centimeters, 15 centimeters and 17 centimeters are the lengths of the sides AB, BC and CA respectively. Then find sin A, cos A, tan A. He is asking to find the sin A, cos A, tan A. Here you see here I am, what is given beta in a right angle triangle, first problem. Here you see I am writing the first problem in a రైట్ యాంగిల్డ్ ట్రయాంగిల్. ప్రాబ్లం రాయనా బెటా, లేకపోతే జస్ట్ దీన్ని రాసేస్తే సరిపోతుందా? మీరు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో చూసుకోండి.
ఆన్సర్ రాయండి సార్.
రైట్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఇన్ ఏ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏబిసి ఈస్ గివెన్. సో ఇక్కడ మీరు ఒక్కసారి ప్రాబ్లమ్ని చూడండి బేటా. నేను ఒక్కసారి మీకు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ చూపిస్తాను. ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం చూడండి. ఇన్ ఏ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏబిసి ట్రయాంగిల్ ఇచ్చాడు. దీని యొక్క 3 లెన్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఈస్ గివెన్ ద లెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ది 3 సైడ్స్ 8 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 17 centimeters respectively. 8 centimeters is the length of the AB, 15 centimeters is the length of the BC and 17 centimeters is the length of the CA. సో రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అంటే ఇందులో ఒక హైపోటెన్యూస్ ఉంటుంది కదా బేటా. సో ఈ 3 లెన్స్లోంచి దేన్ని హైపోటెన్యూస్గా తీసుకోవాలి మనం? విచ్ వన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు చూస్, విచ్ వన్ ఈస్ ద AC. That's good. Why? Because hypotenuse is always bigger one. Okay. CA side is the hypotenuse అంటే దానికి ఆపోజిట్ లో ఏం యాంగిల్ ఉంటుందని అర్థం? యాంగిల్ B. Angle B is the 90 degrees. Okay. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఈ
Angle B,
ట్రయాంగిల్ని డ్రా చేసి చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ వన్
AB, sir.
హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ గివెన్, ఒక్క నిమిషం. Here I am drawing the one triangle beta. ఇది రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అనుకోండి. కొద్దిగా నేను రఫ్గా ఎందుకు పోయింది, కొద్దిగా శబ్దం చేయొద్దు నాన్న. హియర్ ఐ am drawing the right angle triangle. First one. ఎవర్రా అది శబ్దం చేసేది? ఇదే మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి బేటా. Okay, you see in the problem, first problem, what is given? This is the right angled triangle ABC, and he is given the lengths of the sides are, what are given? Lengths of the sides are, tell me.
8 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 17 centimeters.
AB, length of the AB is 8 centimeters, length of the BC is 15 centimeters, length of the CA is 17 centimeters. Okay, now length of the AB is 8 centimeters is given, length of the BC is 15 centimeters is
15.
given, length of the CA is 17 centimeters.
17.
Here the bigger one is the, which is always will becomes hypotenuse, కర్ణము అని అంటాం. అన్నింటికంటే పెద్ద భుజం. ఇది ఒక భుజం, ఇది ఒక భుజం. కర్ణానికి ఎదురుగానున్న కోణాన్ని ఏమనాలి పెట్టేది? లంబకోణం ఉంటుంది. మీన్స్ రైట్ యాంగిల్డ్ హియర్. సో హియర్ ఇన్ ద ప్రాబ్లం వాట్ ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ నాన్న? ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటున్నాడు మనకి? ఏమేమి
Sin A, cos A, tan A.
సైన్ ఏ ఫైండ్ అవుట్.
Sin A, cos B,
సైన్ ఏ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు. కాస్
cos A find out, sir. మళ్ళీ tan A.
కాస్ ఏనేనా?
ఏంటి సార్?
A sir, A.
ఓకే, కాస్ ఏ. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్
Tan A.
Tan A.
tan ఏ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు. సో హియర్ సైన్ ఏ అంటే ఏ యాంగిల్ యొక్క సైన్ రేషియోని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటున్నాడు బేటా. ఏ అనే యాంగిల్ యొక్క, వేర్ ఇస్ ద యాంగిల్ ఏ? హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద యాంగిల్ ఏ. ఓకే, హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద యాంగిల్ ఏ. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా ఫర్ సైన్ నాన్న? సైన్ మీన్స్
Opposite side
Opposite by hypotenuse.
opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, so to this angle A, which is the opposite side?
BC sir.
BC is the opposite side. BC by hypotenuse. Which side is called as hypotenuse?
AC sir.
AC. So what is the length of the BC is given in the triangle?
15.
15 centimeters.
15 centimeters. By AC, what is the length of the AC? 17. So hence, what is the value of sin A, Nana? What is the value of
15 by 17 sir.
17? That's good. That's good. That's good. Now let us find the cos A. Cos means, what is the formula for cos? What is the ratio cos?
Adjacent side by hypotenuse.
Adjacent side by hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
So to this angle A, which is the adjacent side?
AB.
AB.
sir.
AB.
AB.
Shabash. Shabash. AB by
And AC is the
hypotenuse.
hypotenuse.
AC is the
Hypotenuse.
hypotenuse. What is the length of the AB?
8 centimeters.
8 centimeters by 17.
70.
In the same manner, we have to find the value of tan A. Tan A means, what is the
Opposite side by adjacent side by
opposite
adjacent
side
side.
by adjacent side.
adjacent side.
What is the
By
to this angle A, which is the opposite side, Nana?
BC, sir.
BC.
BC.
By to this angle A, which is the adjacent side?
AB, sir.
AB,
AB. The length of the BC is given 15 centimeters.
15 centimeters, sir.
By length of the AB is given 8.
8
So here we got the value of sin A, that is 15 by 17. We got the value of cos A, that is the 8 by 17.
8 by
We got the value of tan A.
And
So
15 by 8.
without doing any work, can you find the value of cosecant A? Here sin A is 15 by 17. Can you tell me the value of cosecant A? Anybody?
Hypotenuse by opposite side.
By 17 by
15.
That's good. That's good. Why? Because
17 by 15.
sine and cosecants are the reciprocals. Means
Yes, sir.
sine and cosecant, they are the multiplicative inverse. Sine A is the multiplicative inverse of cosecant A, and cosecant A is the multiplicative inverse of sine A. Hence,
Sine.
we have to interchange the numerator as denominator and denominator as denominator. Then we will get the value of
Numerator.
cosecant A. Okay? All of you understanding? Huh? So in the same manner,
Sir.
cos
Yes,
A. Here cos A we got 18 by 8 by 17. Then can you tell me the
17.
value of secant A, beta? Secant.
17 by 8.
17 by 8. Very good, very good. Here we got the value of tan A is equals to 15 by 8. Can you tell me the value of cot A?
8 by 15.
8 by 15. Okay, okay. Huh? Here with respect to the angle A, we got the value of sin A, cos A, tan A. Suppose if he is asking to find the value of sin C, cos C and tan C. Here we have to find the ratios of the ratios with respect to the angle C. Here we changed the angle, Nana. Sin C.
yes, sir.
Huh? So what is the formula for sine? What is the formula for sine? Opposite side
Opposite by
by
hypotenuse.
By hypotenuse.
hypotenuse. So to this angle C, which is the opposite side?
8, sir.
AB. AB is the opposite side. Okay. By hypotenuse is
AC.
yes.
17.
What is the length of AB?
8 centimeters.
8. By
8 by
AC is
17.
17. Here sin C, with respect to the angle C, what is the value of sin? Sin C, that is called sin C. 8 by 17. In the same manner, will you find cos C and tan C?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
you do these two, you find these two values at your home. Okay, homework. Okay, let us see
Okay, sir.
another problem. Second problem. Look at the second one. I am going to the textbook. Okay, Nana. So here is given the second problem. The sides of a right angled triangle PQR, PQ is equals to 7 centimeters. PQ is equals to how much? 7 centimeters.
1 centimeter.
PR is equals to 25 centimeters, and angle Q is equals to 90 degrees. At angle Q is 90 degrees. Right angle is at Q respectively. Then find tan P minus tan R. Here is asking to find tan P minus tan R. Okay. Now look at the board, Nana. So this is the second one. What is given in a triangle PQR is given. Okay. In the triangle PQR, which is the 90 degrees angle
Q, sir.
at Q. Okay. So here I am drawing the PQR triangle. This is the rough figure, Nana. Approximately taking the values here I am. Okay, this is the triangle PQR. Right angle is at 90 degrees. What is given? He is given the length of PQ is given or not?
Yes, sir. 7 centimeters.
How much?
7 centimeters.
Huh?
7 centimeters.
7
7 centimeters. And another side, which side is given?
PR.
Yeah.
PR. PR is equals to how much?
25 centimeters.
25 centimeter. He is not given the QR value. Okay. Then he is asking to find. He's asking to find the value of tan P minus
And
minus
Tan
tan R. Tan P minus tan R.
tan R. Tan P minus tan R.
Tan R. We have to find the tan P minus tan R. Okay. Now look at this triangle. This is the right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle. At Q, 90 degrees angle is there. What is the Pythagoras theorem, Nana? According to Pythagoras law,
hypotenuse
Plus side square, sir.
hypotenuse
Side
square
square plus
equals to side
Side square
square
plus
plus side square. What is, which is the hypotenuse here?
25, sir.
PR is the hypotenuse. And one side is PQ. PQ square.
PQ.
Another side is QR.
QR.
So PR, what is the value of PR, Nana? 25 square. PQ is 7 square.
7 square.
QR we don't know.
Mine.
Okay?
We don't.
QR we don't know.
Let's
25 square. 25 is a
625.
625. That is equals to 7 square. 7 square means 49
49.
plus QR square. So let us take 49 this side, LHS side. Okay?
Yes, sir.
625 minus 49. That is equals to QR square. Okay? Let us subtract 625
Minus 49.
minus 49. How much, Nana? 5. Here 15 minus 9. 6. 576. Okay? That is equals to QR square. So here we got QR square. This is P, this is Q, this is R. PQ value is given 7 and QR value is given 25, and here we got QR value as 24. Okay?
24.
Here మనకి ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటున్నాడు బేటా? మనకి ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు?
Tan P minus tan
P
R.
minus tan R.
Tan P minus tan R is equals to how much? First let us find tan P. Tan P, P అంటే ఏంటి బేటా? ఇక్కడ ఇగో P యాంగిల్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది, అవునా? What is the actually what is the formula for tan? Tan అంటే ఏంటి?
Opposite side by adjacent.
Opposite by
Opposite side by adjacent. So to this P angle, which is the opposite side?
QR.
QR, okay? That is QR. By adjacent side. ఈ P కి adjacent side ఏంటి బేటా? PQ.
PQ.
Then what is tan P value? QR is 24 by PQ is 7. This is the value of tan P. Therefore,
Tan P.
tan P is equal to 24 by 7. In the same manner, we have to find the value of tan R.
Tan.
R ekkada undi ikkada, angle R ikkada undi. Okay? Angle R ikkada undi. Okay? With respect to this angle R, we have to find the value of tan. Tan ante enti beta malli opposite side by
Opposite
adjacent side. So to this angle R, which is the opposite side, Nana? Yeah,
PQ.
PQ, right? PQ. By adjacent side, R ki adjacent side enti?
RQ.
R.
QR.
Sorry. QR.
Seven by
24.
24.
QR. That is equals to 7 by 20.
24.
Here we got the value of tan P and tan R. Now let us find the value of
minus
tan p minus tan r.
tan r
Tan p is equals to 24 by 7
by 7.
minus
7 by 24.
24. Let us find the LCM, Nana. 7 into 24, how much? 24 into 7. 7 4s are 28, 2. 7 2s are 14 plus 60.
168.
168. 7 any times పోతుంది నాన్న? 24. 24 24s are I think 576. Okay. Minus 7 7s are 49.
49.
49. Okay. 576 లోంచి 49 ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయండి బేటా. 16 లోంచి
527, sir.
527. That is equals to 527 by 168. This is the value of tan p minus tan r. What is the value of tan p minus tan r? That is 527
by
168.
7 by 168.
168. సో ఇదే మేనర్లో నేను మీకు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో ఇంకా కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, చూపిస్తాను బేటా. మిగతా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేస్తాను. ఇక్కడ థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం చూడండి. థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం కనబడుతుందా అందరికీ? స్క్రీన్ మీద కనబడుతుందా? ఒక్క నిమిషం థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఇన్ ఏ రైట్ యాంగిల్డ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ABC with right angle at B, with a right angle at B in which small a is equals to 24 units, small b is equals to 25 units, angle BAC is equals to theta. Theta means oka angle annattu, angle which is denoted by theta. Then find cos theta and tan theta. ఇది చేస్తారా చెప్పాలా? in a right angled triangle ABC with right angle at B. right angle ఎక్కడ ఉందట? 90 degrees angle
B దగ్గర.
In which small a is equals to 24 units. Small a అంటే ఏంటి బేటా? స్మాల్ a అంటే in triangle ABC BC length of the BC side అని అర్థం. BC side length of the BC side is denoted by small a. ఇక్కడ స్మాల్ b ఉంది. స్మాల్ b అంటే ఇది ఏ దేని యొక్క లెంత్ అని అర్థం? AC భుజం యొక్క లెంత్, AC భుజం యొక్క లెంత్. యాంగిల్ BAC is equals to theta అన్నాడు. దెన్ ఫైండ్ కాస్ theta and tan theta. ఓకే, నేను ఒక్కసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను. ఇందులో ఉన్న డాటాను మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఎందుకంటే నాకు ఇది కనబడదు బేటా. ఇప్పుడు నేను మళ్ళీ వైట్ బోర్డ్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను.